Introducing Sylvi Imperial Luxury Analog Watch. It is available in varied colors like full black, black silver, blue, and grey. It has a date display, it comes with a Japanese quartz movement, and a round analog display. This luxurious watch comes with a genuine durable leather strap with a push-button deployment clasp. This stylish watch features a stainless steel case finish and a circular sturdy attractive dial. The watch dial diameter is 40 mm and the case diameter is 43 mm with 100 gram weight. It comes with 3 ATM water resistant and 6 months warranty against manufacturing defects. The box contains watch, user manual and warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit, credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page.